additional basic iPhone tips. In this content, I'm gonna show you how to unlock your iPhone with your Apple Watch, an alternative way to unlock your iPhone with your Apple Watch in case you got the face mask on. So without wasting my time, all you have to do is to make sure your iPhone is connected to your Apple Watch. So you go to settings, then Bluetooth. So as you can see, iPhone watch is already connected to my iPhone 10 here. So what you have to do next is to check the Wi-Fi. So check the Wi-Fi. As you can see, it is written unlocking with Apple Watch, AirDrop, AirPlay, and improve location require Wi-Fi. So you just turn off Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is turned off so that you can use your Apple series to perform the alternative way to unlock your iPhone. So just on the same settings, then try accessing Face ID and passcode. Then you turn your passcode. Then you come here. You can see unlock with Apple Watch. So in case you have this off, then all what you have to do is toggle it on, turn on. So then you are good to go to unlock your iPhone with your Apple Watch. Thanks. So as you can see, the iPhone is being unlocked with the Apple Watch. So in case I wanna lock iPhone back, then I just enter the lock iPhone. Before you apply the setting, make sure your iPhone got the iOS 14.6 or later, and the watch must also got the or must have the watchOS 7.5 before you can unlock your iPhone with the Apple Watch. Thanks. See you next time on Basic iPhone Tips. Leave your subscription. I welcome back to another edition of Basic iPhone Tips. In this content, I'm gonna show you how to transfer photos from your photo gallery to your Apple Watch in case you got one. So as I got right here, the Apple Watch series 3 cellular. So without wasting my time, just go to watch on your Apple device, and you scroll down to photos. As you can see, photo science. So you select which album you want it to appear on your Apple Watch. So select album. So you want to transfer, or you want favorite album to appear on your Apple Watch, then you select favorite. If you want the WhatsApp album, then you select whichever album you want it to appear on your Apple Watch. So as I'm going to select recent, then I come back, then photo limit. So you select the number of photos you want it to show up on your Apple Watch. So photo limit. So if you want 25 photos, then you select 2500 photos, then you select preferred number of your choice. So as I'm going to choose 100 photos, then you are good to go. So that's how you transfer or send or send or show up some photos on your Apple series. You come back on your Apple Watch to check if those pictures you selected showed up. So you just tap on photos, then as you can see, those 100 pictures I selected, they have appeared here. As you can see, they are now loading. So hi guys, you see this edition of Basic iPhone Tips. I'm gonna show you how to use your Apple Watch to browse or access the internet. Apple Watch can perform so many phone-like functions, not only for replying message and viewing pictures or accessing the iTunes or the App Store. You can also surf the internet by getting the links up from your App Store as showed in the previous video. So in this content, I'm gonna show you how to use your Apple Watch to browse or surf the internet, especially social media like Facebook and other medias, and you can also access Google by using your Apple Watch. So in this video I'm gonna show you the right way to use your Apple Watch to perform the phone like functions. So without wasting my time, just grab your phone, go to any browser. So I'll choose Chrome. So in the Chrome, I'll just copy the Google link here and come to my email, then compose mail to here to the senders button, blah blah blah. So I'll just to yes, and send to maybe HookesboatTech. I'll paste the Google link here and then click on send. So the image is sent to HookesboatTech blah 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 gmail.com. So I'm done. So I'm gonna access the email from my Apple Watch. So to access that Google link I sent from my phone to the mail, I'll just open the cloud mail here. So you are going to see the link has opened Google. So I will just search whatever I want in the Google search bar. So let's say I'm gonna type in Facebook. Done. So I'll just click on done. So you can see the Apple Watch is accessing Facebook. So you can see Facebook has opened. So whenever you wanna log into your Facebook account, then you just tap on your account. So as I have already signed into my Facebook account, I see. So I'll just enter login. If you just want to log into another account, so then you enter in your Facebook email and your password and the other requirement that you need to access your Facebook. So this is how you can use your Apple Watch to browse or surf the internet. Thanks. I would like you to subscribe and leave your comment for this channel. See you next time with basic iPhone tips. And as you saw in the previous video, how to access Instagram from your Apple Watch, so the Apple Watch can perform a phone like function, not only for replying message or viewing photos. Thanks. See you next time on basic iPhone tips.